This is 2 of 3 Zuru balls from my mini brands Fill the Fridge set. Let's see what we get this time.
We got a little egg. I think I got the hot wings from Pizza Hut. No way. Ooh, we got the cute little Panda Express. It's so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're gonna have some milk for the fridge. Another fishy. Those are so cute. No, I got a little fruit tray.
I still have one more Zuru ball and the fridge to open, so make sure you check back for those too.